Is your server maintenance routine as effective as it could be? This guide will walk you through a structured checklist using eAuditor. Learn how to keep your servers secure, stable, and efficient. Ensure your server runs without errors by regularly checking system health. Monitor CPU and memory usage for any anomalies. Keep the operating system and applications updated with the latest patches. Install security patches promptly to mitigate risks. Immediate action on critical patches is crucial. Do not delay until the next cycle. Successful backups are vital for data restoration. Ensure backup data is complete and test the recovery process. Activate antivirus software and enable the firewall for security. Control user access to prevent unauthorized entry. Regular checks reduce risks and ensure quick data recovery after failures. Check disk space regularly to ensure sufficiency. Monitor for disk errors and maintain stable performance. Inspect hardware for overheating and secure cables. Ensure fans and power supplies function properly. Document hardware conditions with photos and comments, and get a technician's signature for completion. Run the checklist using eAuditor during maintenance. Record results in real time to ensure accuracy. Once tasks are verified, tap Complete Inspection. Export the report as a PDF for official records. Archiving these reports aids in future audits and reference. Differentiate between monthly and quarterly maintenance tasks. Monthly checks keep systems current, while quarterly reviews are more in-depth. Schedule maintenance during off-peak hours to minimize disruption. Inform users in advance to prepare for any downtime. This planning ensures a seamless maintenance process. A consistent maintenance checklist improves server security and reliability. With eAuditor, you can efficiently document and manage tasks. Prevent costly downtime by integrating these practices today.